Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to view our text files using our powerful cat command. So right now, I'll navigate to my desktop, and if I want to view any of these text files, I can use just cat followed by my file name. So let's get started. If I want to view the contents of my file commands, all I need to do is just say cat commands. And this will show me the contents of the file here. You might notice the difference between less and cat. If you type less and then commands, it will take you to a separate screen, as you can see here. It's like a dedicated program for viewing files. This is my less command, right? If I press Q, I will exit this program. However, if you type cat commands, it will not take you to a separate screen for viewing the file. It actually shows you the contents right here. So this is one difference between the cat and less command. Okay, so let's try it with Linux. If I want to view the contents of Linux, I can just type cat Linux. As you can see, here are the contents of my file Linux. If I type cat cats, it will show me the line cats are better than dogs because I have it here. And if I type cat dogs, it will show me the line cats are better than dogs. Okay. The word like the command cat, so the letters cat here, they stand for catenate. And if you know the word concatenate, it means bringing stuff together. So what I mean by that is, let's say, for example, that you type cat commands space Linux. So what do you think this will do? This will view the contents of the two files concatenated together. So this will show me, if I execute this command right here, this will show me the content of the file commands along with the contents of the file Linux. So let's see. If I press enter, as you can see, these are the contents of my file commands right here, and these are the contents of my file Linux. And both of them are concatenated together. It's awesome. I love using the cat command. Let's do it with the cats and dogs. So if I say cat, cats, dogs, as you can see, it shows me the first line here from the file cats, and it shows me the second line for the file dogs. And let's do all four files here that I have. Commands, Linux, cats, dogs. As you can see, this will show you everything together. So here is my file commands, here is my file Linux, here is my file cats, and here is my file dogs. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's make a new file, call it even. So I'll rename this one, call it even. And let's make another file, and I'll call it odd. Okay, and here I will write even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, I'll save this one. And here I'll write some odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Okay. Okay, so if I type cat odd now, this will show me the odd numbers, right? If I type cat, or if I execute cat even, this will show me even numbers. If I type cat, if I execute cat odd even, it will show me the odd numbers, as you can see here, concatenated with the even numbers. And notice here that the order matters. So here I say cat odd even, right? Here you will see the odd numbers first, then the even numbers. But if I say cat even odd, this will show me the other way around. So here I have the even numbers and then the odd numbers. So as they say, order matters. Okay. And actually, I want you guys to know a command that is very similar to cat, and it is called tack. So tack is exactly the same like the cat command, but with one difference, with only one difference. And I will tell you what is this difference. So, for example, let's say cat even, right? Here you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc., right? As they appear here on my file in the same order, right? However, if I say tack even, this will view me the contents in a reverse order. So instead of showing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it will show me 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, etc. So tack is the same as cat command, but it will reverse the order. So if I say tack odd here, as you can see, it reversed the order. Even you see like cat commands, you see here, the first one is date, the second one is cal, the third one is clear, etc. However, if I say tack commands, it will show me the other way around. But, you know, tack commands can be used exactly the same way like the cat command. So I can concatenate file using my tack command. So let's say tack even odd, as you can see. But they are in the reversed order here. As you can see, these are the contents of my even file reversed, and here are the contents of my odd file reversed. And yeah, I can use this with my cats and dogs. Of course, here you will not find anything reversed because each of these files only contain one line. But yeah, as you can see, cat command is a very, very popular command, and it's one of the most often used commands on the command line. I love this command. I really love it. And I will actually use this command over and over again, and I will show you. It will become very useful and handy when we explain the concept of pipelining and the redirection and pipelining. Okay? So until then, ciao.